The quickest way on getting a Vivamax voucher code on a limited time. The first things first is open or access any web browser that you want to use, and on this video I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to vivamax.net, and this specific platform right here is not gonna come for free. You'll have to subscribe any of their features for you to be able to watch or view any um, entertainment that you can try to do on Vivamax. Now, before you logged in, all you have to do is to create a new tab and then just simply type in JRFU Mart followed by the word Vivamax. Now, you just have to choose on the very first result, and for you to be able to take advantage with a specific amount of voucher codes that you're receiving is to purchase or to subscribe on their 12-month subscription plan with Vivamax. Now, once you have successfully subscribed, you will be given out any random voucher codes that has a unique characters that will be sent out to any of your email address associated with your Vivamax account. And that's it. That's how you get the quickest way on getting the Vivamax voucher code on a limited time.